again. Please enter again. Please enter again. 001. Successful. Enter added information. Please enter again. 002. Successful. Enter added information. Unlocked. Locked. Enter added information. Press 1 for admin settings. Press 2 for user settings. Press 3 for system settings. Press 4 to factory state. Press 1 to add admin. Press 2 to delete admin. Press 3 for network settings. Press 1 hotspot connection. Press 2 smart connection. Successful. Press 1 hotspot connection. Press 2 smart connection. Requesting remote unlock. Unlock.